Investigators in Columbia County are searching for an historic church bell that was stolen last week.
News 10 ABC's Juliana Bruno taking a closer look now at the bell's significance and has the latest on the efforts to find it.
Where was once a 145-year-old, over 1,000-pound bell with a storied history and ties to the community, now sits a sign with a desperate plea for it to come back to where it belongs.
This theft is a theft to all community of Malden Bridge.
Considered by residents of Malden Bridge to be a community treasure, the old Chatham bell was cast by Manili and Kimberly, founders of Troy, in 1878. The bell graced the hamlet of Old Chatham for more than 80 years, until the Methodist church where it rang became structurally unsound and the steeple had to be demolished. The congregation moved to Malden Bridge.
And they had the bell placed here where it has been since 1975. So almost 50 years.
For that long, people have been driving past the bell on the front lawn of what is now the Malden Bridge Community Center, stopping to read the embossment and inquiring about its history.
It's the history of the church, the community in general, the many people that have been members of the church, married here.
Paul Ash, director of the National Bell Festival in Washington, D.C., which raises funding for the care and restoration of historic bells, said smaller bells are sometimes stolen as a prank and eventually returned. However, this one, at over 1,200 pounds, 4 feet tall, and made of bronze, was likely taken for a different reason.
And unfortunately, that means bells are quite tempting targets for theft, with thieves moving a bell along, selling it for scrap, and hoping to make a few hundred or even several $1,000s from it.
I do hope that either the scrappers who may be approached with this huge, unique bell will come back to us. They will have second thoughts about it, and it suddenly appears on the lawn. That is our hope.
The bell went missing between 7 p.m. on April 24th and 7 a.m. the next day. A $3,500 reward is being offered for information that results in the return or recovery of the bell or the arrest and conviction of whoever stole it. The Columbia County Sheriff's Office is heading up the investigation into the stolen bell, so if you have any information, send it their way. Reporting in Columbia County, Juliana Bruno, News 10, ABC.